Yo, what's up everybody? It's TT, redefined performance and connectivity with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Struggling with laggy performance and dull camera quality, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers blazing speed with Snapdragon 8 Elite, a stunning 200 MP camera, and advanced features like Wi-Fi 7 and a 5000 mAh battery. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's kick things off with this display because, honestly, it's hard to take your eyes off of it. Samsung really outdid themselves this time with a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The round corners and slim bezels help, but honestly, once you start scrolling through your favorite social media feeds or watching videos on this thing, you're not going to want to put it down. And the flat edges, let's just say, they make using the S Pen feel even more precise and intuitive. Oh, and did I mention the display is HDR10 Plus certified? Yeah, that means you're getting incredibly vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an overall viewing experience that is simply unmatched. Now let's talk refresh rate because, as you know, I'm all about that smooth scrolling life. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts an incredible 120 Hz refresh rate, which, for you non-techies out there, means everything looks insanely smooth and responsive. But here's the really cool part. The S25 Ultra's display is also adaptive. That means it can automatically adjust the refresh rate based on what you're doing. It's the perfect balance of performance and efficiency. Okay, let's talk about the brains of this operation, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This is Qualcomm's latest and greatest chipset, and let me tell you, it does not disappoint. We're talking a significant performance boost over the previous generation, which means apps open faster, games run smoother, and multitasking is a breeze. And for all you mobile gamers out there, you're going to love the Adreno GPU that's baked into this chipset. It delivers console-quality graphics and buttery smooth frame rates, even on the most demanding games. Samsung knows that true power users need more than just a fast processor, they need RAM and lots of it. That's why the Galaxy S25 Ultra comes standard with a beefy 12 GB of RAM. But wait, there's more. If you're a true power user, Samsung also offers the S25 Ultra with a mind-blowing 16 GB of RAM. Seriously, with that much RAM, you could have every single app on your phone open at the same time, and it would still run like a dream. Alright, let's talk battery life, because let's face it, what good is a phone with all the latest and greatest specs if it dies on you in the middle of the day? Well, you can rest assured that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will keep up with even the most demanding users. It packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get you through a full day of use. But here's where things get really interesting. The S25 Ultra supports super-fast 45-watt wired charging. That means you can go from 0 to 100% battery in under an hour. And if you're not a fan of wires, the S25 Ultra also supports fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra packs a ridiculous camera system that will have you taking professional quality photos and videos in no time. We're talking a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom, a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens. There's single take, which captures a variety of photos and videos with a single tap night mode, which lets you take stunning photos in low light conditions, and director's view, which lets you record video from multiple cameras at the same time. The S25 Ultra packs a 12 megapixel front-facing camera that can record video in crisp 4K resolution. In today's hyper-connected world, having a phone with a fast and reliable internet connection is more important than ever. That's why the Galaxy S25 Ultra comes equipped with the latest and greatest in wireless technology, including Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. Wi-Fi 7 is the next generation of Wi-Fi, and it's incredibly fast, We're talking gigabit speeds, which means you can download large files in seconds and stream 4K videos without a hint of buffering. Bluetooth 5.3 brings improved audio quality, lower latency, and increased range, so you can enjoy your favorite music and podcasts without interruption. Now let's talk software. The Galaxy S25 Ultra ships with Samsung's One UI 7, which is based on Android 15. One UI has always been one of my favorite Android skins, and with version 7, Samsung has made it even better. We're talking a refreshed design, smoother animations, and a ton of new features that make using your phone more intuitive and enjoyable. One of the biggest changes in One UI 7 is the redesigned notification shade. Finally, let's talk design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a beautiful phone. It features a sleek and modern design that is both stylish and functional. The front of the phone is dominated by that gorgeous 6.9-inch display, which curves gracefully into the metal frame. And at just 8.2 millimeters thin, the S25 Ultra is surprisingly comfortable to hold, even with its large display. So there you have it, guys, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung really pulled out all the stops with this one. It's got everything you could ever want in a smartphone, and then some. If you're in the market for a new smartphone and money is no object, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the easy recommendation. As always, thanks for watching.